I just think.
Sneeze? You got it.
The jacket is in a size 10.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Yes. Gimbo.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna start doing content.
You need to. I tell you, you need to.
I'm having some kind of sneeze attack. I just peed a little.
Kid on the trike flipped it. Hit his head too.
Hey, part of it. Look at you, girl.
Sorry, girl. I think I'm finally back to normal because. Oh, excuse me. Achoo! 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 Achoo!
Good morning, guys. Today is day 3 of 3 of my work week. I work an 11-hour shift today. This is really getting annoying. Okay. Good morning, guys. Today is day 3 of 3 of my work week. I'm working at my main location today, and it's an 11-hour shift. Good morning, guys. Today is day 3 of 3 of my work week. I am working at my main location today, and it is an 11-hour shift.
There, this is my Fiverr. Welcome, I'm Carly, and this is my challenge for you. Yes, today we will make a special challenge of sniffing. Yes, sniffing. Ethnicity with pepper. Oh yes. This is pepper here, Venezuela. Come on. A second. Let's go. little. Okay. Como. Let's continue. Oh my god. Oh. That joy.
Oh my god, thank you.
Very clogged up. I need to sneeze, so I'm gonna sneeze on command. All I need is a box of tissue. I'm gonna rip it in half, put one half down, take another piece, rip it in half. Okay, and then I'm just gonna roll said piece of toilet paper or tissue paper. You can also do this with toilet paper. I prefer toilet paper, but tissue also works. The goal is to just roll it up very small and skinny. And then I'm gonna take this and poke it in my nose. So I got like a little comb there, and I need to focus. I wanna sneeze like twice. And you just poke it in your nose up and down, okay? I'm making it a little tighter, up and down. The left nostril for me is a little bit more, didn't come fast enough. So I'm gonna take the other side and poke it in my nose. I had to tighten it up. I'm poking it deep back in there, it's like up here. I'm not sneezing. I just rip off the wet end. So I'm just like using the same piece. I'm poking it in this nostril. I can feel it. Ooh. Ooh. 2 sneezes. And that's how you sneeze on command. This trick always works. Always.
Hey, first I want to say thank you to all of the Neese tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported.